So before I started the Jumpstart program for cleaning purposes, I was just using hand sanitizer. I wasn't really sure was my solution at the beginning. So after working with Jumpstart, how I learned some better techniques of using a water station with portable water. So now I have an area for the gray water. I have soap, I have the portable water, and then I have an area to dry my hands after, and then an area to put the trash in afterwards. So it's made it a better, cleaner solution for me. So one of the reasons having the clean area to wash my hands and everything, it's just to make sure things are safe for myself, for the consumers, and anybody who would be buying my product.
The University of New Hampshire Cooperative Extension is an equal opportunity educator and employer. UNH, U.S. Department of Agriculture, and New Hampshire counties cooperating. Direct inquiries to unh.civilrights@unh.edu. The University of Maine system is an equal opportunity institution committed to non-discrimination.